we're going to give her a turn around up here, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. Hope to see you there.